Before we start, take a moment, check us out on YouTube, and make sure you subscribe. That way, you won't miss any of our new tutorials. Hey everyone, this is Mike Mitchell, and in this video, I am going to show you how to share an assignment that you've created in Ethiqly back into Google Classroom so your students will see that it is available there. So let me show you what I've done. In another video, I showed you how to sync any classes that you've created from Google Classroom over into Ethiqly, so that way you don't have to recreate them here. So I've done that. I had my Mitchell Period 1 class set up in Google Classroom. And so now what I've done is in this class, which is right here, I clicked on Create an Assignment, and I made an assignment. Let me just open it up very quickly so you can see. So the assignment here, I just put this together quickly, is about the secret garden. And so in my example, I want my students to do a draft, and then they will do their final submission. I have the rubric that I've put together there, and then some learning objectives. And again, students can see all of that whenever they go to look at the assignment. But what I want to do, again, in my demo class, I have one student that we pulled over from Google Classroom. What I want to do is push this assignment back over into Google Classroom so that students will see it there, and then they can, that's kind of the hub that I use to have my students see all their assignments. So to do that, I just find the card here with the assignment, and you'll see these three little dots. And if I click on that, you'll see this new option, Share to Google Classroom. So I'm going to do that. It's asking me, are you sure you want to do that? Yes, I am. And there we go. So it is shared over, and now I get my confirmation message that it is shared over. So let me switch over into Google Classroom, and we'll see if it's there. So again, let me just start back from the beginning here in Google Classroom. We will go in to my period 1 and look at that right on the stream. We've posted a new assignment. And if I go into that, I can see the students who have been assigned to that. And then I can also come here and see the instructions. The way this will work for students, whenever they come into Google Classroom and they see this, if they click on this, it will take them over into Ethiqly where they can actually work on the writing assignment. But that's how you see how easy it is that once you've created an assignment in Ethiqly, you can push it back over into Google Classroom so that students will see that with all the other things you're doing with them in Google Classroom.